When we came in, we knew that we have a term of 5 years, and that is what we prepared for, because even amongst us there are people who have their own plans, further plans. People are planning, some of them are planning to go and vie for governor seats, others are planning to become the CSs, others are planning to retire from politics, others are planning to do other things. So the 5-term limit for us is enough, and we are comfortable with the 5-term limit, and we are not intending to extend the term limit.
I remember tabling a motion on the cost of electricity. I don't remember it getting this much publicity. But the bills that are non-essential to Kenyans are the ones you're giving a lot of limelight. They are the ones you're appreciating, yet our Kenyans have a lot of problems. So I would want to confirm we are disassociating ourselves from this bill, and when it comes to Parliament, you can be assured it is not going to get support.
So this is not a matter that I believe, even if it came from whichever source, would have been ready to support as members of Parliament. It is not within our mandate for now. If you want to serve beyond 7 years as proposed by Honorable Senator Cherargei, work well for your people, get re-elected, and you serve for 10 years and beyond.
So we want to tell Kenyans and Cherargei, the mover, including the Senate itself, they need to be considerate when they are trying to push some bills that have financial implications. The Kenyan economy is struggling, so I don't think whether it's anybody sane enough who can say this bill proceeds to the referendum. You know the cost of referendum.
We have been going for elections after every 5 years, unless in 1982 when we had a snap election. This one is in our constitution. It was affirmed in the 2010 constitution. Only Cherargei thought that he is coming up with a popular bill. Since now you have realized this is a very unpopular bill, I do urge you, Mheshimiwa, to drop that bill forthwith, because I believe that this will not see the light of the day.
Vile vile pia executive ambaye inaongozwa na Mheshimiwa Rais William Samoei Ruto hajapeana maagizo ya aina hii. Hiyo inamaanisha kwamba mswada huu sio mswada ambao ni mswada unasukumwa na executive.
And I think the member of Nandi came up with the motion and the bill by his own personal right and democratic right to do so. But it should not be directed or confused to mean that it is Kenya Kwanza, it is the region I come from, which you come from, or it is the government. The bill is a private member, and the member should be asked question directly, not the party, not us the leaders.